Today, I'm going to show you how to unmute a word from your home timeline on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is really helpful if you muted a word before, but now you want to start seeing posts containing that word again in your home feed. If this tutorial helps, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media how-to guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X and look at the left-hand navigation bar. If you don't see all the options right away, click on More. This will open up the full menu with additional settings and tools. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account and content controls. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section covers the filters and preferences that affect what you see on the platform. After that, click Mute and Block. Inside this menu, you'll find the options for words, accounts, and notifications you've muted. Now click Muted Words. This is the area where all of your muted keywords are listed. Browse through the list and select the muted word you want to edit. Once you've opened that word, you'll see different timeline options connected to it. To unmute that word from your home timeline, simply toggle off Home Timeline. This will remove the mute setting specifically for your main feed, so posts containing that word can appear again on your home timeline. And that's it! You've now successfully unmuted a word from your home timeline on X. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.